How to make $96 in half hour? Yeah, this is good question, and I will show you how me and these 27 people make it today. This is the result of today's trading session. We made $96 with 27 people who copy trade us. Yeah, but what is copy trading? You simply open social trading and find us with our ID, which we share in our group. You can get access very easy, just join our free group where is more information about it. Link is in the description. But let's move on now on the trading session. Okay, now we are going to place first trade only for $10. We know that it's only $10, we know, but not everybody have a big balance like us, so we are going to help grow small accounts, guys. Maybe like $20 or $50, okay? You can have maybe like only $20, guys, and we will help you to grow like 500, 1000 in short time. And as you can see, our first trade is profitable. But what we are going to do now is that we put our profit and start amount, and we will only trade with this amount, okay? We will trade only with profit, so we don't lose any money. And why we don't lose any money? It's because we created profit, okay? And with this profit, it wasn't our real money, it's digital money we make, okay? And that means we are now liberated from emotions. We are not afraid to lose money, and that is where is our power start, okay? But I think it's enough talking about all of this. Let's look how our trades will be doing. And this is second profit. If you want next trading session with explanation, like and subscribe, so you will don't miss anything. And now just enjoy trading session. Yeah, welcome. We turned $10 into 96, and this is end of this training session, guys. I hope you enjoy this, and see you in the next. Goodbye.